Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by adding your Google account to the Mac. This lets calendar sync seamlessly. Open System Settings, then Internet Accounts, and choose Google. Sign in with your email and password. If you use two-step verification, complete that prompt. Once done, make sure the Calendars toggle is enabled for that account so events sync. You're not installing an app. This integrates Google Calendar into the native Calendar app, which keeps notifications, colors, and invites consistent. Now refine how Google Calendars appear and sync. Open the Calendar app and look at the left sidebar. Check or uncheck calendars to show only what you need. Use Calendar Settings accounts to set refresh frequency and notification preferences. This controls how quickly new events appear. If a calendar doesn't show, return to System Settings, Internet Accounts, and reselect Calendars, then force a manual refresh in the Calendar app. These steps control visibility, performance, and alert behavior. Finish by verifying events and notifications. Open Calendar and use View Refresh Calendars to pull recent changes. If some events are missing, remove the Google account from Internet Accounts and add it back. This reinitializes the sync. Make sure there are no security prompts on the Google side blocking access, and compare with Calendar. Google.com to confirm events exist. If problems persist, restart the Mac and check Mac OS update availability. Often an OS update fixes lingering sync bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.